What's up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. So yeah, this is a weird video, this one, because I never actually decided to make a full video on this, but as I sort of caught footage of it here and there, I thought, let me turn it into a video and hopefully it can help some of you guys out there. And it's about the rust on my car. Now, this is not only for Mark IV Golfs or A3s or whatever, but it's for a lot of cars, really. Cars made in that era and before. I don't think they were well insulated from this problem happening. But it's whereby all the arches just start rusting up. Your fenders, your rear arches, you know, they all end up with bubbling and all sorts of stuff. And in this video, I show exactly why that happens and how to prevent that, you know, from happening. Now, I didn't actually see this problem coming. It was only the fact that I didn't screw my splash guards in properly when I took the Golf out on its test drive a while back. So the splash guards got eaten up on the test drive, which made me have to buy bloody new ones. So when I bought the new ones and they arrived, I stripped my old ones off, and my God, guys, what was behind there? I was quite happy that I'd actually not, you know, screwed my bumper and splash guards in, because basically I wouldn't have ended up seeing this until it was too late. But yeah, there's a bit of corrosion that I found there. I treated that and fixed that, which I didn't record because you can find videos of that, you know, online. I just touched mine up with like rust converter and then primered it and touched it up with paint. So yeah, let's get into the video and I'll catch you guys up at the other end, yeah? I used to always wonder, why do they always rust just on the inner, you know, arches of the fender here? And this explains exactly why. I mean, I've just taken out all that crap that's just caught behind there, and you can see it's already started to corrode. And I think what the problem is basically that goes underneath your, well, this goes in your wheel arch actually. So what actually happens is all this dirt gets caught up in all the edges. Like, can you see all that around the edges? And it starts to become abrasive and start basically slowly corroding and rusting your fenders. So if you've ever wondered why that happens, that's pretty much the reason. Because all the crap just gets caught in here. I think it's from all the spray probably on the motorway or whatever. And you can see mine are still okay, but I think I've caught it in time really, because you can see it's really trying to start rusting. Ready? Let's see what's behind there. See, now it's starting to already mess this arch up. Can you see? It's already starting. Yeah. Let's see what's behind there. Ooh. Look at that. Uh-oh. Look at all that crap behind there. That's exactly what causes corrosion and rust in your arches. Exactly. You know what? I'm playing games here. Playing games. So put this on the lawn. Oh, he's spinning. That is no good. Look at that. How much dirt. You know what I mean? That's a lot of dirt to come out of the bloody wheel arch, you know. So, and if you look, it's still damp in here. It's actually still damp. Look. So I think that's another problem that causes this bloody corrosion and rust, is because it's damp in there and doesn't dry out. Right, bad boys have arrived. I don't know if them being packaged this way is gonna help anything, but anyway, let's see what they look like when we open them. Yeah, these are the splash guards. You can see mine are obviously damaged. Camera won't focus. So yeah, let's get those opened up and get them on. It's a nice fresh splash guards. Find somewhere to put this camera on. Ah. Right, so there you have them. That's them unwrapped. Obviously they're all curled up like a snail or whatever, but yeah, that's the part numbers, if that's a part number, and that's the website and whatever. So yeah, we need to find them. So yeah, we whack those on, guys. One looks smaller than the other, but they actually look the same. I don't know, but yeah, we'll stick them on. Oh yeah. So we'll switch to it. Yeah, so boys, I mean, my advice to obviously preventing these getting really bad is, the only advice I can give is, if you're gonna wash your car and you're confident on taking your wheels off and stuff, I would take the wheels off, unscrew your mudguard. It's an easy job, to be fair. You know, it's just a couple of screws really and a small ratchet that you need. Take that off and I'd clean that dirt out of there and just wipe around the edge of this. Make sure it's in good condition. If it's not, then I'd put some sort of preventative measure like wax or wax oil or something on there. And then, like, if you look on this side, what I did, so wherever I had bubbling, I had a little bubble underneath this part of it, my wheel, I just touched that part up. As I mentioned, I put rust converter on there, and somewhere up here as well, some rust converter, and now it's all right. And if you look from here, you can't actually see anything. Car is a bit dirty, to be fair, but yeah, you can't really see much. But yeah, you just can't stop this dirt from getting in there, guys. You know what I mean? I think the leaves and dirt as well, this is one of the issues. I think all the stuff goes under here and then ends up going behind and getting caught there. That's the other theory I've come up with, because I tried working it out to say, you know, how is it all getting just caught up all in there? So I think one factor is obviously the wheel rotating and chucking dirt behind there. And the other thing is just leaves going in from the top. You know what I mean? Just slicing in from here, getting down the back of the scuttle panel and just wedging itself basically. Boys, I know it's not the most exciting video in the world, but at least, you know, if it helps someone or prevents someone's car from getting rusted up or whatever, to me that's all I'm happy with, you know. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon, probably next week Friday. Okay, and I'm trying to drop videos on a Friday, which I do have a couple that I've already recorded and stuff. I just need to edit, as I've mentioned in the past. It takes time, you know, to edit all these videos and get them up there. But keep your eyes peeled. The next one will be I do a full coolant flush, like a 5-stage coolant flush on the next video, which is quite interesting because I didn't plan to do it that way, but yeah, I ended up doing it that way and thought, thank God I recorded the footage of it, because it was quite funny as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys again soon. Take it easy, keep safe, and have a good weekend. Cheers. Bye.